This 2-day financial development program is designed for non-financial managers who want to make better decisions, influence performance, and contribute more confidently to the financial health of their organization. Across the 2 days, you'll learn how to read and interpret the key financial statements, understand why cash and profit are not the same, and discover practical ways to influence and improve profitability. You'll enhance your budgeting skills, explore how financial decisions impact the wider business, and take part in a practical team activity that brings all the learning together. This is a highly practical and engaging program that helps you see finance through a clearer, more strategic lens, giving you the confidence to participate fully in financial discussions and make decisions that positively impact the bottom line. Whether you're leading teams, managing budgets, or influencing operational performance, this course gives you the tools to understand the numbers and use them effectively. The program is available throughout the UK, with both in-person and live virtual options to suit your schedule. For any queries, please email info@ptp.co.uk.